In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default zoom in OneNote. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can get your notes looking just right and stay comfortable while you work. Adjusting your zoom can make a huge difference, especially if you switch between monitors, use a high-resolution display, or spend long hours reading and writing. Start from your desktop so you're beginning with a clean slate. This helps you focus on the app window you're working with and makes it easier to see exactly what changes when you adjust the zoom. If you're juggling multiple windows, consider tidying your workspace first so the change is easier to notice. Having a clean view will also help you confirm that your new zoom level looks consistent as you move around your notebooks. Next, look to the top of the OneNote window and click the View option. This is where OneNote groups all the visual settings that control how your pages appear on screen. The View area lives on the ribbon across the top, and it's designed for quick adjustments without digging into deeper settings. If your ribbon is minimized, expand it so you can see the full set of controls. Depending on your version, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the View section that contains the zoom controls. Now select Zoom %. This is the control that lets you choose exactly how large or small your content appears. You'll typically see preset percentages such as 100%, 125%, 150%, and higher values for larger text and images. Pick the level that feels comfortable for your eyes and matches your screen. If you're on a small laptop, 125% or 150% can make text more readable without constant scrolling. On a large monitor, 100% or 110% might give you more room to see your page and sidebar together. After you choose a percentage, take a quick look at a couple of notes or sections to confirm everything is legible and aligned the way you like. Many versions of OneNote remember the last zoom you used in a page or section, so once you pick a percentage, the app often keeps that level as you navigate. If you notice the zoom looks different on another page, simply return to View and select the same zoom % again. It only takes a second and it helps keep your workspace consistent. And that's it. Starting from your desktop, clicking View at the top, and selecting the zoom % gives you a clean, repeatable way to set the zoom you prefer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable OneNote experience.